Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now guys, in this occasion, I wanna tell you some storytelling about the Battle of Uhud, a test of faith to Islamic community, Muslim community. The Battle of Uhud is a second war after a first war is a Badar war. Where the young Muslim face the turn test of their faith and resilience against the Quraysh tribe. Right? This the illustration of battle. The Battle of Uhud terrain in the desert between Mecca and Madinah. There is close to Uhud mountain, Uhud hills. Revenge the Quraysh. Quraysh have revenge about to Muslim community because what? Because the first reason is in Badar war, in the first war of Muslim war, the Muslim get win in that war. Again Muslim against the Quraysh too, and then Muslim win, and then the Quraysh tribe have the revenge to Muslim community. Now, this is the place in the Uhud. The second is desire for revenge, because the Quraysh have revenge to Muslim because in a Badr war Muslim get win victory. The Quraysh were determined to avenge their defeat and research their dominance over the growing Muslim community. The Quraysh, the head of Quraysh community, not want a Muslim growing. That why the Quraysh want to war with the Muslim. And then the third is marching on Madinah. The Quraysh army, there is around 3,000. He marching from the Mecca to the Madinah. In here, this the line of the Quraysh from the Mecca, and then the Muslim community from the Madinah. This the battlefield of Uhud. The location this close to Mount Uhud, and then there is some small hills in here. This from the Quraysh army from the Mecca, and then from the Madinah or Muslim army from here, and then there is like strategy after this. I explain to you, and then the Battle of Uhud is took a place at the slope of Mount Uhud. This in slope of Mount Uhud, just north of Madinah on 15 Shawwal, 3 after Hijrah, 3 years after Hijrah. And there is strategy, the important strategy for Muslim, because the Muslim not enough people to against the Quraysh, because Quraysh is 3,000 and then Muslim is 700 tribe. Next, the opposing enemies. Muslim army first have around 700 men, and then the Quraysh have 3,000 men. But 3,000, and then the Quraysh have a reinforcement too from the kabilah from Arab. He get additional tribes from his component. This is a deployment of Muslim army. Yes, in the Uhud hills. The first is defensive. The first position defensive. There is the Muslim. There is 700, and then Nabi Muhammad Prophet Muhammad SAW asked 550 50 people, 50 archery to took a place in the Uhud hills, and then the 6,500 others defense on the slope of Uhud Mountains. The archery like this, the archery in the look in here. Nah, the archery in here, and then the others in here. And then from the Quraysh or from the kafir tribes, he have like strategy to make a sandwich, from the front and from the back, and he sandwich Muslim army. That's why Prophet Muhammad SAW asked to archery tribe to take a place in the Mount of Uhud, hills of Uhud is small hills, to guard the Muslim army, to guard from the Khalid flank, Khalid tribe to flank until behind of Muslim army. Okay, that's to get flank secure from the Khalid tribe. Then the battle unfolds after the good strategy from the two army. The initial clash, and then the Quraysh launched the first assault, and then the two armies engaged in the brutal melee on the slope of Uhud. And then the archery armies is guard the Muslim, and he archer the people, the Khalid tribe, to against Muslim from the back of Muslim army. But the archery not want listen what Prophet Muhammad SAW say, and he left his place, and then go to down and want to take the like gold and then the sword and others from the Quraysh things. And then because the archery there is no in his place against Khalid tribes can flanks, and then Muslim in that loss. Muslim retreat, and Prophet Muhammad SAW get struck by stone and sustaining a serious injury in his face. Okay, that is a small storytelling about the Uhud War. Thank you. Sorry if there is mistake or there is a wrong story, or you can check on YouTube like YouFit and on others. Okay, the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.